Roamer SX. The Earth Roamer SX is a luxury off-road vehicle built for serious adventure with top-tier comfort. Sitting on a tough Chevrolet 6500 chassis, it's powered by a strong Duramax diesel engine and a 6-speed transmission, making it ready for rough terrain and long journeys. Inside, it feels like a premium home on wheels. You'll find a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen, galley, and even a full dry bathroom. The interior is smartly designed with high-quality finishes and advanced features. It's packed with tech too, including solar power, a water filtration system, and a full communication suite, giving you everything you need to live off-grid. Whether you're crossing deserts or climbing mountain roads, the Earth Roamer SX delivers both rugged performance and luxury living, all in one incredible package. If you want adventure without giving up comfort, this is the ultimate travel companion. RC Motorhome's RC12M. The RC12M is a luxurious 12-meter motorhome built for those who love traveling in style. Based on the powerful Volvo FH chassis and packed with a 540 horsepower turbo diesel engine, it blends strength and elegance perfectly. With 4 huge slide-outs, a 7-meter awning, and a spacious rear garage, this rolling mansion offers loads of space to relax or entertain. Inside, you'll find a stunning design with premium materials, modern finishes, and the latest tech, making every journey feel first class. Whether you're going on a long road trip or a quick weekend getaway, the RC12M delivers top-tier comfort and convenience. It's more than just a motorhome, it's a mobile luxury suite. This model, the Maverick Vinales MV12, even reflects the high-end lifestyle of MotoGP rider Maverick Vinales, adding a personal touch of racing glamour to the experience. SLRV Commander 4x4. The SLRV Man Commander 4x4 is a luxurious 2-story motorhome built for serious off-road adventures. Based on the powerful MAN TGM 4x4 chassis, it's made to handle rough terrains with ease while keeping you comfortable wherever you go. This beast combines strength with style, offering a custom-built interior that feels like a home on wheels. Inside, you'll find a roomy lounge, a modern kitchen, and smart off-grid features like solar panels and water filtration, perfect for long trips into the wild. Whether you're climbing rocky paths or camping in the middle of nowhere, this vehicle gives you the freedom to explore without giving up comfort. It's the ultimate mix of rugged design and luxury living, made for travelers who want to go off the beaten path without sacrificing convenience. The SLRV Commander 4x4 is not just a motorhome, it's an all-terrain mobile retreat for adventure lovers. VSTX AIA Edition 1, Reimagined Travel Luxury. The VSTX AIA Edition 1 is not just a motorhome, it's a 5-star hotel on wheels. Designed by famous Italian yacht designer Vittorio Pieroni, it blends sleek, modern style with top-tier comfort. On the outside, it looks sharp and stylish, while inside, it offers a spacious layout filled with luxury. Every detail is carefully crafted, featuring premium leather, rich wood accents, and a clean, elegant finish. The kitchen comes with high-end appliances and a streamlined design, while the bathroom feels like a private spa with classy fixtures and a roomy shower. The cozy lounge area has soft seating, mood lighting, and state-of-the-art entertainment to keep you relaxed and entertained. Whether you're heading out for a long adventure or a quick weekend trip, the AIA Edition 1 delivers the perfect mix of style, comfort, and convenience, turning every journey into a first-class experience. Meet the Movable Roots Custom Tiny Home, a beautifully crafted 38-foot long and 8.5-foot wide house with 450 square feet of cozy living space, including a loft. Step inside and you're greeted by a raised living room, perfect for relaxing, watching TV, or playing games with the family. Beneath this area is a handy 48-square-foot storage space with access from outside. If you love to cook, the kitchen is a dream come true. It features a 10-foot countertop, a 3-burner gas stove, an oven, and even a dishwasher for easy cleanup. Up in the loft, there's enough space for a queen-size bed, giving you a comfy place to sleep. Outside the sliding doors, there's an additional 50 square feet of bonus storage. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious too. It includes a full-size flush toilet, a soaking tub, a washer-dryer combo, and even a wall heater to keep you warm during the colder months. It's small living done right,